Welcome to the channel. Here's a simple way to improve your English fluency using short movie summaries. First, listen to the 2-minute Bollywood movie summary. Don't try to memorize it, just understand the main idea. Then, stand in front of a mirror and speak in your own words. You don't need to repeat it exactly. Just say whatever comes to your mind. Your sentences don't have to be perfect, speaking is what builds fluency. If needed, listen to the summary 2 or 3 times. When you're ready, start speaking confidently. Let's begin. The story begins many years after college life is over. Two old friends, Farhan and Raju, are now adults. One day, they get a call from their old classmate Chatur. Chatur tells them he has found information about their long-lost friend Rancho. Farhan and Raju are shocked and excited. They have not seen Rancho for many years. Without wasting time, they decide to go on a journey to find him. As they travel together, they start remembering their first day of engineering college. Farhan and Raju first meet Rancho in their hostel room. Raju comes from a poor family. His father is sick, his mother works hard at home, and his sister is waiting to get married. Raju feels a lot of pressure because his family's future depends on him getting a good job. Farhan comes from a middle-class family. His father wants him to become an engineer, but inside, Farhan is not very interested in machines. He loves wildlife and photography, but he hides this dream because he is afraid of disappointing his father. Then there is Rancho. He does not talk much about his family. But one thing is clear, he is not studying engineering for money or pressure. He is studying because he truly loves machines and learning how things work. This difference makes Rancho very special.
There were two friends who had settled down after completing their college studies, named as Farhan and Raju. One day they receive a call from their old college friend Chatur, who informed them about their long lost friend Rancho. Hearing this, both Farhan and Raju gets excited and they decide that they will go for journey to find out Rancho. Raju belongs to a poor family. His father was sick and used to take a rest on bed. His mother was hard-working woman who managed the household. He had one younger sister for whom the family was searching for a suitable groom. There were many expectations placed on Raju as family hope he would secure a good job and improve their financial condition. Talking about Farhan, on the other hand, he belongs to well-to-do family. His father was strict and wanted Farhan to become a successful engineer, whereas Farhan was not interested in machine and he was passionate about photography.
Thanks, John, for the quick demo. Hi all, now it's your turn. Stand in front of a mirror and practice. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep going. Watch the video couple of times if needed, then give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.